everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I'm having a lot of fun blooming. I'm so excited with the way my blooms have been coming out right now. So we're going to do some more blooming, and again we're going to be using my Sherwin color to go, and this is the Oceanside. So let's get down and see what we're working on today. Okay, today I am working on a 12-inch round wood panel. It is taped on the back. I've got it all set on my spinner. We're going to work with a variety of paints and pigments today. So let's go through them real quick. This is Kakiiro Orange from Eye Candy, 14 Nugget Gold from Eye Candy, Sibafu Green, Hakashika White, Kamenbudokai, which is a blue with red highlight, Suiren Purple, then I have, oh, and Penny Copper. That's the last of the eye candies. And then I have in this little Piggie, I've got Submarine, and I have Sangria. And then for my tube paints, I've got Artist Loft Neon Pink and Artist Loft in Vermillion. And then for my cell activators, I have Amsterdam Titanium White mixed with Aussie Floetrol and Amsterdam Permanent Blue Violet, again mixed with Aussie Floetrol. All right, so let's have some fun. Let's get blooming. The first thing we want to do is give ourselves a nice dollop of that. We'll see if that's enough. All right, let's get some color on here. Going to start with a tube paint. Give us a nice little base for our pigments to sit on. Make sure we get lots of this 14K gold, because that really brings out the sparkle. Also some of that penny copper. These two really bring sparkle. Probably have too much paint on here already. Oops. Alright, we're going to end a little tube paint for our cell activator to sit on. We're going to go with the white cell activator first, and then the blue violet. Give it a little start. And it's going to get noisy, so we're bringing out the hairdryer. Oh, there's some pretty stuff coming up. We're going to let it sit a little bit, do its thing. We don't want to rush it. Oh, this outer band here is just fabulous. Just waiting for that center to pull back together a little. Okay, you see how that center is now closed up for us nicely. Well, I definitely got too much paint on here, so I'm not going to get a lot of negative space that I wanted. We're going to lose some of what I like. Wow. Wow. I want to tilt that way just a wee bit. Oh, wow. I could just get my centers to look as pretty as my outsides. Then I'd truly be happy, but I will take it. Oh, the shimmer on this is fabulous. All right, let's see how much paint we have left on here. How are we moving? You do want to check and make sure you're not leaving too much paint on. And see how much it's moving. What's moving, what's not moving. So you know you've gotten enough off. Wow. Oh, gorgeous. Really, really gorgeous. One more good spin, just to make sure. Oh, here come the messies. Wow. All right, I think that's not moving anymore. Not much. That's pretty set where it is. Okay. All right, folks. I'm going to get this off the turntable. I'm going to clean up my edges a bit, and I will bring you down for a close-up. Okay, we have wet results. Look at this. Oh. Get it so you can really see the shine, the color, and the shit. Oh, look at that sparkle. Oh, this outer edge is just amazing. Let me go into the center here. Oh, I'm loving it. Gorgeous. Okay, we're gonna let this one dry. Okay, we have dry results. Oh, look at that center, how it's popping out. This whole thing is just fabulous. Oh, all the way around. Just gorgeous. Go around the outside first. Look at these cells. Look at this. Oh, so pretty. So much color. So much lacing. Oh, in the center here. Look at this. Oh, just jumping out. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. So happy. All right, I want to show you the shine on this one, guys. Look. Oh my goodness, look at that shine. Oh, it is just amazingly bright and sparkly. All right. Okay, everyone, I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you know when I'm uploading videos. Thank you so much for joining us for Friday with Friends tonight. After me is Joanne Ralston Art, Acrylic Creations by Jay Whitty, and Oak by Bettina. The links should all be down in my description box. Have a wonderful, wonderful weekend, everyone.